Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to act now. Confirm the Instagram app and device OS are up to date, because mismatches often break share lists. Once updated, inspect your account privacy and the close friends configuration to ensure nothing was accidentally removed. Then restart the app and clear cache. This forces Instagram to refresh locally stored list data. After that, test sharing to a single contact to observe behavior. These steps rule out common local or version issues before moving to deeper fixes. Once done with the basics, dig deeper. Log out and back in, and try Instagram on the web to see if the share list appears there. This isolates device-specific errors. If certain contacts vanish, remove and then re-add them, or rebuild the close friends subset to regenerate the list index. Also examine linked accounts and any third-party apps that manage followers. Make sure app permissions for contacts and storage are allowed. These actions repair corrupted lists and resolve sync conflicts between devices. To finish, reinstall Instagram and test sharing using a different account or device so you can confirm whether the problem is account-specific. If the issue persists, gather screenshots, timestamps, and device logs. Then report to Instagram support with that evidence so they can escalate server-side bugs. Make sure to back up data first, because as a last resort, you can reset network settings or, rarely, factory reset the device to clear deep configuration errors. If nothing helps, follow up with support and attach the collected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.